Nightclub Two Step video, we're going to do something called a spin to a twist. We'll show it to you first. I'll go like this. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You can take as long as you want on that twist. Okay, Dick, want to explain it?
Okay, I went with hammerlock configuration from a two-hand hold. So I'm going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to stay on this side of the slot. Ladies over on that side.
He's going to lower the hand a little.
I'll lower the hand a little, and then I'm going to wrap a cuddle. She's going to do a couple of spins. I'm going to stay on this side. My footwork is like a right-hand turn. 1 and 2 with the side cross side. I wind up when I hit my side over here. Then I'm going to rock back 1 and 2. I block, twist, 3, 4, and then back to the close. So let's look at what that footwork and so forth
Let's
is
look at it
about.
from a different angle. See
Okay,
how that works.
first thing is the hammerlock. So I drop this hand low, left hand goes high. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're facing opposite directions. My footwork for the cuddle from here is going to be 1 and 2. A small 2 to the side, side cross side. Looks like this.
He rocks me back and gives me a
Rock
spin.
back.
1 and
Little
2,
side step.
3 and 4.
So I'm traveling with her. When I hit count 4, I turn and face this direction.
Can we do that one more time? I want to show that the leader goes over her head twice with his hand. So I'm right here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So he's going to go over twice. 1 and here's 1,
3
2
and 4, and I turn and twist like this. Now, I'm going to do a side rock, so I'm going to step off to the side. It's too difficult to step back and get this done. I'm going to turn to face the partner. Looks like 1 and I block with a diagonal step. I haven't done anything. That's 1 and 2. Now on 3, I do the twist. 3 and 4.
So let's do it so they can see your footwork. I think this would be better. Okay, so here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Here we go.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here we goes. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And if you want, you can say 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can stay there as long as you want. Let's try it from this direction. I think we did it already, but we'll do it again.
Okay, hammerlock.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. He rocks
Cuddle.
me back. Goes over twice. 3 and 4. He does rock me back here.
Side
1
rock,
and 2.
block.
And he just twists me. 3, 4 and up.
Okay, leaders, when we are doing that side rock, so I am the cuddle right now. We were working with this yesterday. I want to go 1 and 2 and I'm still up in the air. I'm going to do a side check, roll her away from me. 1 and diagonal step block. I have not gone to the twist yet. That's 1 and 2 for you. We're still both upright. We stay vertical. As I start to bend my knee, this leg stays straight. Her outside leg stays straight too. There's a twist. That's 3 and 4. If you want to go slow, it's 3 and 4, 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Okay, all right. I think that the only thing we had trouble with yesterday when we taught this was that after he does that dip, let's do it from here so you can see your footwork. I'm here. I want him to see your footwork here.
So I'm going to roll her away from me.
1 and 2.
And I block.
What happened yesterday, and they thought they were going to go like this, 3 and 4. But what you're doing is you're going to twist your body instead.
Stay vertical. Leaders, I'm looking over my right shoulder right now. Edna's looking over her left. So again, we landed here. This was the block step. Then on the 3 and 4, it's nice and slow, and then come back up.
So that is a spin to a twist. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.